To draw a staircase in Revit, go to Architecture, under Circulation, select the stair. When you select the stair, you will get these options: location, offset, and actual run width, automatic landing. These things you can check. So I want to keep run location left and offset 0, width going to be 1000, and automatic landing. So I'm selecting run. Here it's going to be a straight stair, so I'm going to draw run. Okay, here I'm going to select monolithic stair. So basically assembled stair for steel or wooden, and for precast stair this is for a concrete precast, and monolithic stair for a common regular staircase in house. It's a concrete staircase, cast in place stair, monolithic stair. So before drawing, I want to check my staircase properties, basically the riser height and tread depth. So before changing anything here, duplicate the staircase properties, give a name, riser 150 by 300 mm. So maximum riser height I want to fix to 150, minimum tread depth going to be 300, and run width going to be 1000. That's okay. And here we have other settings, but for now I want to check only riser height and tread depth. I'm going to give OK. So I'm going to give OK. I'm going to draw my staircase. This is going from level 1 to level 2. So here you can see the property. This is what very important before drawing a staircase. So let's see: monolithic stair, base level level 1, top level 2, desired number of riser will be 27. So if we rise 1, what will happen? Let's see. If I rise 1, it's going to be 142.9 mm. If I reduce, it's going to be 148.1. If I reduce one more, it's crossing the limit. So let's keep it 27. We are within the limit. Tread depth 300, starting number going to be 1. That's fine, and the face settings and all fine. Now I am ready to draw staircase. Let's keep it in the right side. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the stair. So you can select the starting. I'm going to zoom in to keep it more visible for you. Okay, so here you can see in the bottom we are having a text saying 8 riser created, 21 remaining. So this text, when you adjust, it's changing. So totally 27. I'm going to divide into 2, so it's going to be 14, but let's keep it 12 as maximum. So first run going to be 11, and then 1200 landing, and again I'm creating 11, again 5 remaining, again I'm creating a landing, and then finishing the staircase. Here you can see starting with the step number 1 and ending with the 27, but if you count the tread it will be 26. I'm going to show you why it is. Okay, so for example, in case we consider we are taking a cross section through this staircase. Okay, go to right click, go to view. So in the settings we were drawing from level 1 to level 2, but the staircase not attaining the height. This is because the staircase is ending with a riser. So to reach top height, you select the stair. Here you have to select edit stair, select the flight, last flight, and then here end with riser you have to uncheck and then drag this point. So now it is reaching the height and you can finish. This is how you have to do a staircase in Revit. Okay, I will be making other videos to show different types of stair. For a beginner, if you are starting as new, you can try this staircase. We will try one more staircase with the dogleg type. So I'm taking staircase, going to architecture, staircase, stair option. So I'm going to create a stair. Let's keep it half. So 13 riser created, let it be 14 riser created, and I'm coming here, coming back, and I'm finishing the stair. Now you can finish the stair. Now let's see the section. Right click, go to view. You can see here the stair is not attaining the height. Give edit stair, select last flight, then end with riser uncheck and drag one step and then finish. So this is how you can create. These landings are automatically creating because when we are drawing the stair, so we are checking the options here. So let's go to level 1. When you are drawing a stair, you are giving an option automatic landing. That's why it is creating automatically. If it is unchecked, it won't get create. So keep this checked always.